Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional YouTube banner step by step using Canva. It's really simple, and yeah, you don't need any fancy software or experience. First, go ahead and log into your Canva account or sign up if you don't have one yet. It's free and super easy. Next, type YouTube banner into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a bunch of templates ready to use. Browse through the options and pick a template that fits your style. Don't worry, you can customize everything like colors, text, and images. Now, this is where the fun part begins. Click on the text to edit your channel name, adjust the fonts, change colors, or replace images. You can drag and drop elements anywhere you like. Once you're happy with your design, click the download button on the top right, choose PNG or JPG, and save it to your device. That's it, you're ready to upload it to YouTube. And there you go. That's how you can make a professional YouTube banner in Canva uh, in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.